When we want to perform the same set of commands again and again, we form a loop. Looping means doing the same task repeatedly until we obtained the desired result. How did you draw a square using MSW logo earlier? Let us recall. FD 100, LT 90, FD 100, LT 90, FD 100, LT 90, FD 100, LT 90. Notice that we are repeating the two commands FD 100 and LT 90. The same two commands are repeated 4 times. It is time-consuming and really boring to type the same set of commands again and again. Would it not be good if we tell the set of commands once to the turtle and ask it to repeat 4 times? Yes, we can do that. Turtle understands the logo language that provides a primitive for looping called repeat. The repeat primitive. This primitive gives instruction to the turtle to repeat a set of commands for a given number of times. So, the previous set of commands to draw a square can be written in one line as given below. Repeat 4, square bracket open, FD 100, LT 90, square bracket close. Wow, it draws the square at once. It is a real joy. Less effort and the work is done. Caution: if you are working in group in the computer lab, then prefer to apply your brain and let the other companion do work on his turn. The syntax. Syntax is the way of writing a command. It is the grammar of the language. As any other language, Logo has its own grammar and rules. The syntax of repeat primitive is semicolon. Repeat, number of times to repeat, commands to be repeated. Example: repeat 8, FD60, BK60, RT45. Observe that we don't type angular brackets when typing in the commander window. The primitives that are to be repeated are written or typed within square brackets. We give one space between words as we give while writing. We press Enter key when we finish typing the command. The command goes inside the computer's memory and gets executed by pressing Enter key. Now, let us see what is drawn by the above example. Notice that we turn towards right at 45 degrees for 8 times. This completes one full circle. 45 into 8 is equal to 360. Drawing regular polygons with repeat. A figure closed from all sides is called polygon. A regular polygon has all its sides of the same length. Rule for drawing regular polygon. There is a rule for drawing a regular polygon. The degree of turn is equal to 360 divided by the number of sides. This means degree of turn is equal to 360 divided by n, where n is equal to number of sides. Hence, the degree of turn to draw a square is 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90 degree. The number of times you have to repeat is same as number of sides of the polygon. Number of repetition is equal to number of sides. Drawing a triangle. Number of sides 3. Repeat 3 times. Degree of turn 360 divided by 3. Command used. Repeat 3 FD 100 RT 360 by 3. Remember, the turtle is very good at maths and it can do calculations with any command. Drawing a square. Number of sides 4. Repeat 4 times. Degree of turn 360 divided by 4. Command used. Repeat 4 FD 100 RT 360 divided by 4. Drawing a pentagon. Number of sides 5. Repeat 5 times. Degree of turn 360 divided by 5. Command used. Repeat 5 FD 100 RT 360 by 5. Drawing a hexagon. Number of sides 6. Repeat 6 times. Degree of turn 360 divided by 6. Command used. Repeat 6 FD 100 RT 360 by 6. Drawing a heptagon. Number of sides 7. Repeat 7 times. Degree of turn 360 by 7. Command used. Repeat 7 FD 100 RT 360 by 7. Drawing an octagon. Number of sides 8. Repeat 8 times. Degree of turn 360 divided by 8. Command used. Repeat 8 FD 100 RT 360 by 8. Drawing a nonagon. Number of sides 9. Repeat 9 times. Degree of turn 360 divided by 9. Command used. Repeat 9 FD 100 RT 360 by 9. See how easy it becomes when you use the repeat primitive. Drawing a decagon. Number of sides 10. Repeat 10 times. Degree of turn 360 by 10. Command used. Repeat 10 FD 100 RT 360 by 10. Drawing a circle. A circle can be thought of as a polygon having 300 of sides, and size of each side is very small. Let us take the size of each side to be 1 and the number of sides to be 300. Number of sides 300. Repeat 300 times. Degree of turn 360 by 300. The command we would type. Repeat 300 FD1 RT 360 by 300. Formula. Repeat N FD unit RT by LT 360 by N. As soon as you press Enter key or click on Execute button, the circle will be drawn. The greater number of sides, the larger the circle is. If you turn right while drawing a polygon, the polygon will be drawn at the right side of the turtle position. If you turn left while drawing a polygon, the polygon will be drawn at the left side of the turtle position.